um just like you need a wallet in which you put your money in real life, it's just the same way you need a wallet in which you keep your crypto coins. I don't know if I'm ringing a bell. Right, in the crypto space, all the cryptos you mine, you accumulate, you buy, you need a wallet in which you will keep them. Right, so there are two types of wallets. Actually, there are three types. We also have a hardware wallet, but I don't want to talk about that one today. So we have a dex wallet. That's a decentralized wallet in which you take full control. In case you lose it, you lose every fund in it. And we also have a centralized wallet, like the likes of the wallet we have on Binance, Mex Global, OKX. I'm talking about the centralized crypto exchanges. You can also keep your coins there, right? So for those wallets, you only need accounts with them. But when we come to the decentralized wallet, we have MetaMask, we have Trust wallets, we have BitGet wallet, Wow wallet, lots of them. And we also have, if you check the screen, we also have Ton Keeper wallet developed by Ton Chain. We also have Element, a lot of them. And creating your wallet with all these guys requires same process, similar process, which I'm going to take you through. I've been getting messages from most of my subscribers, most of my community members, to show them how they can create these types of wallets. So today I'm going to create a new wallet on Tonkeeper wallet. So stay with me till the end of the video. Make sure you don't skip any part. And this process I'm going to show you is the same way you use if you want to create a MetaMask, a Trust, any form of Dex wallet. You are going to follow this same process. So all you have to do is to come to Play Store, search for Tonkeeper, you install it. So let me do that right away. So as you are downloading, let me tell you this, please give this video a like. Please give this video a like. It helps the algorithm to detect what we are doing here. Please leave a comment if you are a newcomer to this honorable channel. This is Crypto Fountain YouTube channel. All I do is to create content on how you can make money through airdrops in the crypto space. I'm talking about how you can earn money for free, how you can earn dollars in the crypto space for free just by tapping on your mobile phone. So if you would like to be with a community like this, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button. I'll also leave my Telegram community link in the description section. Make sure you join so you'll be in the midst of like-minded people just like your type. So let's wait for the app to be downloaded and then I'll take you through. Okay guys, so Tonkeeper wallet is successfully installed. So let me click on it. Okay, what's this? Continue. Okay, so let's wait for it to open. You know, we are doing this from scratch, right? Please stay with me, don't skip any parts. It's gonna be crucial and you stand a chance to lose your funds. I'm talking about your hard-earned money if you don't stay with me till the end, right? Okay, all right, so this is the first interface that I'm getting. You see, I've been in this space for a while. So here all you have to do is to click on new wallets. You can see it's saying existing wallet. Let me show you this and I'll tell you about it later. Existing wallet, import wallet with a 24 secret recovery words, pair with ledger, blah 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 blah. So I'll also talk about how you can import wallet, right? So first, let's click on new wallet, create new wallet, right? Okay, so you don't have to click on import, right? Click on create new wallet. We are going to create a new wallet. So here you will be asked to choose a code, a 4-figure code. So any any four figures you can remember easily, you can choose it, right? So let's wait for something. Get instant notification. Now I'll choose later. I don't want them to be messaging me. Now the wallet is created. It's as simple as ABCD, right? It's as simple as ABCD. So come here. For some wallets, they will ask you to even back up before it's created for you. So you come here and you click on back up the wallet recovery phrase. If you don't do this, guys, trust me, what I'm showing you is the key to your wallet. It's like a room with a door and a padlock on it, which is locked. You can only enter the room when you have the key to the padlock. The code you chose, to me, it's nothing. That 4-figure code, it's nothing. But this section is the most crucial one, right? So never enter your recovery phrase any other place than Tonkeeper to access your wallet, blah 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 blah. So here we will enter the code we chose. Remember these words, you can see copy to clipboard. You see these words. I'm only showing it to you because I'm never going to use this wallet, right? These words, these 24 words, right? These words are the key. It is called passphrase sometimes, or some people will say recovery phrase. Whatever being the case, how you call it doesn't matter. All I need is for you to keep it safe. So here you can find a pen and a paper and write all these words in order as they are. You can see they are all lowercase letters. Write it as it is. All of them, right? Okay, so let me copy it, right? Oh, I don't think I can copy these guys. So let's go to check backup, right? Check backup. All right, so this is what they will expect of you. You enter the word that was against number 9. You enter it here. So number 9 was gloom. Oh my God, they've changed it. So that's why you need to write all these words, right? So here you enter the word against number 2, number 10, and number 14. After that, you just have to click on done and the backup will be successful, right? So this what is going to happen in case you lose your phone, right? In case you lose your phone, in case mistakenly you delete the wallet and you have fund in it, you have money in the wallet, all you have to do is to download a new Tonkeeper wallet. But this time you are not going to create a new wallet. You click on import wallet. So you copy all the passphrase, right? You get a space, you paste it, and you will get your wallet back. That's why I said the 4-figure code you chose, to me, it's nothing. It's not anything serious. You just have to be remembering it whenever you want to open the wallet. So when someone takes your phone and try to open the wallet, he or she will not get access to it. So now let's look at some features of the interface we have here, right? So the first one is send. So if you want to send coins or money, I'm talking of crypto, to someone, all you need is their wallet address. Either they send it to you through Facebook, WhatsApp, you just copy it, you come here, you paste, right? Then after pasting, you click on continue, you enter the amount. Now let's click on receive. That's if you want to receive coins from someone, you can see this is your address. This guy here is your address. You don't have to memorize it for anything. You just have to click on copy. You send it to the person you want to receive money from, and he or she will send it to you. So this is the swap feature, right? Let's say you have ton in the wallet, you want to swap it to, let's say, USDT, or you have any coin. Let's say if I have USDT and I want to swap it to, let's say, Reka, I just enter the amount, and then I swap. It's as simple as ABCD. We also have buy and sell. We are not even going there. And we also have stake, right? Minimum deposit 110 and 1 ton and up to 2.5. And when you go to ton wheels, minimum deposit is 50 ton. So you can stake some ton here. Maybe you have ton in your wallet. It's just like having money in your wallet. You see, when you have to keep the money for, let's say, 2 years, it will yield no interest for you. But if you invest that money, let's say, into a business, or when you buy shares, so it's as simple. That's what we call staking in the crypto space, right? So you can stake your crypto. When you click on it, you have some ton. You just have to click on the addition. You see it's saying insufficient. Minimum balance for participants should be, I think, 2.2 ton. Your balance is 0, blah 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 blah. So you can buy ton from any exchange. If you want to know how you can buy ton from an exchange and then deposit it into your wallet, please drop it in the comment section, and then I'll make a video on that. Not only ton, I'll create a video on how to buy crypto with your local currency using your mobile money wallet on any exchange, right? So I'll leave links in the description section. My OKX referral link, my Binance, my Mex Global, my Bybit account. You just have to create accounts with all these exchanges. Once you are coming into the crypto space, you need accounts with them. You create your account, you verify, because when you should make money in crypto, that's where you are going to sell it, right? So you need an account with them. Please make sure you join my Telegram community. Make sure you follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I'll leave links in the description section, because sometimes I can't be making video on any other information, or all the informations I'll come across in the crypto space. Sometimes I'll just post it on Facebook, maybe in the Telegram community, on Instagram. So it's good to follow me on Twitter, everywhere, so that you always be updated. See you another time with another incredible content. Bye bye.